Water is the savior, water is the disaster. Water for survival, water is the rival. It is intriguing how we exploit a resource and expect no consequence. Well, it has always been the eternal virtue of nature to show us the path. The maze of nature can sometimes be intolerant, but they always turn the course. Urban flooding is the rapid flow of water in urban areas, majorly caused due to urbanization, heavy downpours during monsoon season, overwhelmed stormwater, rising sea levels, failure of dam reservoirs, and changing global weather pattern.
Over the last decade, around 17,000 lives were lost in India due to flooding and downpour. According to the National Disaster Management Authority of India, on an average, every year, 75 lakh hectares area of land is affected, 1,600 lives are lost, and infrastructure damages account for up to 1,805 crore rupees.
Urban flooding and heavy downpours are not only a risk to life and infrastructure, but they also impact the health and lifestyle of public people. As per records, the current stormwater management capacity ranges from about 12 to 20 mm, whereas the rainfall ranges from 600 mm to 2,932 mm in flood-prone areas. The alarming numbers and persistent damages have stimulated us to look for solutions. To mitigate and to adapt to these disasters, what can we do as citizens? Firstly, it is to educate and create awareness to the local people vulnerable to flooding. Secondly, is to build responsibly and not encroach on the floodplains. Thirdly, is the creation of water catchment areas and better rainwater harvesting technologies.
And lastly, there is adherence to the disaster management policies laid down by the government, which guides all the above methods. To further safeguard ourselves, we must decipher and research more holistic approaches to mitigate urban flooding and heavy downpours. Urban flooding and heavy downpours are not only the government's affair, but a threat to the entire nation.